Alright guys, so now we're putting this back on to the head now. Actually, get this guy up to here first. Oh well, please don't fall all the way back into there. Alright, first we gotta feed this down like this. And now we have it like that. We can then just go like this. Just like that. Alright, she is fully seated down. Now I just gotta put the bolts in. Also, don't forget to add a little bit of oil to the tips of these, just so when you torque them, it's a true torque spec and not just like a false torque. This, and just put a little oil on. Not too much oil, just a little bit. Just like that. Nothing too much. Alright. So right now we're just gonna put these down just so they're all flat down, and then we'll do the torque spec in order. Got a torque wrench here. Now, whenever you have a torque wrench, whenever you're not using it, always put it down to 0. I think this is always down to 0. Yeah, it's always down to 0. Always zero out your torque wrenches, because then it can also eventually lead to improper torquing later down the line. So what we're gonna be torquing this to about 40 pound-foot. I think the actual is 36, but we're gonna go a little bit more since we're turboing it, so we need a little bit more pressure to hold the head down. So we're gonna go 20 at first. Alright, with the 20, and we're gonna go to, we'll just go to the 30 here. Alright, we're about there. Everything is about 40 pounds. So now what we gotta do is now put the cams on and time the engine. Alright. So what we're gonna do here, we're gonna add some assembly lube to the journals here, just so they're nice and lubed up. Want to make sure that these get all lubed. Give this a quick spray. Alright. So this goes in here like this. Oh, put this down first. That would be helpful. Timing mark will go over here somewhere, about right there. Same goes for this guy here. Alright, we'll put you back here. Once again, I gotta remove this guy here, push you here, put you back here, and then you go right back into here. And I'm assuming that you gotta go into. Alright, just for now. Alright guys, so what I've done here, I've gotten this, I believe, right on timing so far. So what I'm going to do now is just put the caps on to lock this down, and we're not going to tighten them fully until we make sure it's in full timing still. Alright guys, so it looks like we are at top dead center. This is about lined up with there. This is about 3 degrees up that way. So, and that's at the T right there. It's hard to see in there, but there's a T mark on there. So it should be at top dead center. Now, what I'm going to do is, I'm going to put the chain tensioner into here without losing bolts. And what I'm going to do is check to make sure the valves aren't going to hit the piston. So, let's get to doing that. Alright guys, we're going to check this to make sure that she's alright, so we seem to be good there on timing, guys. So, didn't seem like anything was hitting. So, we look good on that part. Now we just gotta tighten up all these little guys. A bolt here, just a couple things we gotta tighten up here. Actually, I think we also gotta tighten up these guys. Alright guys, we're gonna end off right here. So far we got all the timing back into place, all the cams, the chain, got all the main bolts all hooked back up. We got the chain tensioner in. Actually, I'm gonna throw the bolt that goes right there back in real quick. Other than that, all we gotta do is put this guy back in, put the front here. I'm gonna order a new clutch for this. I still gotta order the seals for back here. But other than that, she's all put back together. She's almost ready to run. So yeah, other than that, guys, if you guys enjoyed the video, please leave a like down below. Comment down below what you guys think about the engine, and if I've done anything wrong or it looked anything. And also, guys, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I'll see you guys in the next one.